Okay, Mrs. Wong bought some shirts at $9 each and sold them for $20 each. From here, from the first sentence, you know that she is already making a profit, right? Because she bought it at a low cost price and then she sell them at a higher selling price. You know what's a cost price and selling price, right? This is called the cost price. This is called the selling price because it's sold, selling price. Customers who bought two shirts were given one shirt for free. She earned a profit of $335 and she gave away 8 shirts. This 8 shirt is the free t-shirt just now. Because if a customer come and buy two t-shirt, right, she will give one for free. Buy two, get one free. That kind of sale. Okay. How many customers bought only one shirt? One shirt. Because usually if a customer buy two, she will give one free. But I just want to know how many bought only one shirt. Okay, let's do this question. This is a profit question. Okay, so everything is what profit. She's earning a profit. But then she actually divide the profit into a certain sale technique, right? Where she have two shirts, so she gave one shirt free, that one. Okay, we focus on that part first. So profit earned for one shirt. Profit earned for one shirt. So for profit and loss or discount question, right? Please label. You can see my labeling, right? I do this. I write down the label. I write down that statement, what it is representing, what am I trying to find. So when your marker mark, she can actually quickly see what you're trying to explain there in that question. Okay? So $20 minus $9. Where do I get this from? This one, the first sentence. So her profit is actually generally $11. Okay. So if a customer bought two t-shirts, so two shirts means she earned a profit. Profit for two shirts means $11 times two. So it is $22, right? For this one. Okay. Then profit earned from each customer who bought two shirts. Now I'm looking at this. Equals to, so you know those customer actually bought two shirts given one free. Okay, so the two shirt is $22. Take away the one shirt that she bought at $9, right? So it is $13. So her profit is $13. Those who buy two shirts. Okay, so total profit from customers who bought two shirts equals to my total profit is, since I gave away 8 shirt, that is the sales technique right here, right? Means I give, whenever a customer buy two shirt, I will give one shirt free. So I want to know how many I earn from that sale. Okay, so I take 2 times, not two, the $13, the one that I find here, this one here. So the $13 from the two shirts times my 8 shirts equals to $104. Okay, not done yet. So now from here, I know that this is my total profit I get from the customers who buy two shirts. Now I want to find profit from customer who bought one shirt equals to, you take the 335. This is my total profit. 335. You take away what I know from the two t-shirt customer. 104 equals to 231. Okay. So from there, can I find out how many of them bought only one shirt? Can. So I take 231 divided by my normal profit. And I will get 21. So 21 customer bought the one shirt, right?